In this video, I will show you how to give access to developer in Shopify. First, go to your dashboard, then click on Settings on the lower left corner. Once in, go to Users, then click on Security. Here you'll see collaborators where you can give designers, developers, and marketers an access to your store. What you need to do is to copy your collaborator code, then give it to your partner. What they need to do with that code is to go to Shopify Partners, where they can go to Store and request an access to your store. Another option is to go to your users. Then you can add users. You just need a plan for it so you can view its pricing. Here, just select the plan that best fits your need. Once done, you can go back to Shopify. Then you can also change their rules so you can give them access only on the rules that you chose. And you can also add a new one for them. And that's it. That's how you give access to developers in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.